Morning, Steve Free in Chicago with the morning grain comments. Overnight prices a little bit higher. The market bounced off yesterday's sell-off. I think there were two main stories that came out overnight. First of all, this time of year, China is buying a lot of beans, and I think they took an opportunity at yesterday's sell-off to come in and do some pricing. Most of this pricing is out of South America, but there may have been a couple of cargoes that might have been done out of the U.S. Because of all the logistics and all the backups that might be going on in Brazil right now. Along with that story is the talk that the government in Brazil and the truckers had a meeting and it didn't go very well. So the market's a little bit nervous about maybe some more strikes next week. Also, we noted that the weather is drying out in Europe. Today's weather maps have most of the rains over the next 10 days moving south of the U.S. South Plains and moving into the east or southeast Midwest. So this drier pattern in the southern plains continues, and we'll see if that offers any support to the marketplace. Other than that, we got the Fed meetings today. You got the dollar lower, you got crude lower, and you got U.S. stocks lower. Asian stocks are actually at 7-year highs, and we'll just see what the Fed has to say and what impact that might have on prices. Strength of the dollar, we don't know what that kind of means to the grain markets. After the USDA March 31st report, it's all up to Mother Nature to see what happens down the road. That report is supposed to be a little negative, with the government finding acres from their Feb outlook estimates, mostly in the beans, and finding more stocks of corn, beans, and wheat than a year ago. So we're just kind of drifting right now into the end of the month, and then we'll see what Mother Nature has in store for us in U.S. and world crops in 2015. As always, these are my thoughts, not those of ADM or ADM Investor Services, and have a safe and profitable trading day. You're all 7808687.